Explaining the basics of Python in under 2 minutes, and the timer starts now. First up, variable store data. In Python, you don't need to declare types, just assign the value. Name equals Alice. Age equals 30. Here, name is a string and age is an integer. If statements. Use if statements to make decisions in your code. Age equals 20. If age equals to 18, then print you are 18 years old. Loops. To represent actions, use loops. A for loop goes through a sequence. For I in range 3. Print I. Functions. Want to reuse code? Define functions with def. Def start. Print hello world. Lists and dictionaries. Finally, lists hold a collection of items and dictionaries store key value pairs. Fruits equal apple, banana, cherry. Ages equal 10, 25, 30, 35. And these are the basics of Python. Hope you enjoyed.